Good morning, Mr. Robin. Good morning, sweetheart. How are you? Good morning. How are you today? You look absolutely gorgeous, don't you? You're gorgeous. Hey, good morning. Say hi to the camera. Hey, you are so handsome. You are so handsome, aren't you? You're my boy. Where's your girlfriend today? Is your girlfriend in the tree? Is she? I can hear her. I can. You look at her. Look at her. She's there. She's there behind. She's whistling at you. She is. Why don't you bring her a little worm? Just bring a little worm for her. Go on. Bring her a little present. Hey? Go on. Oh, look, she's coming down. She's coming down. She might come down and say hello. Listen to her. Come on, bring her a present. See you later.